Hello my amazing creative friends, Oksana here again. Today I wanted to touch upon a very important topic, which is why your patterns are not selling. Why are they not selling? This is definitely a very big question, because many people already contacted me and told me that I already have a bunch of patterns on a website somewhere online and they are not selling, or they just got 1 or 2 sales, that's it. So I will tell you exactly why I think this happens and what you can do about it. So stay tuned. Alright, so for the first reason why I think your patterns might not be selling, the first reason is that do you have enough patterns in your portfolio? Many people think that if they have 5 patterns, 10 patterns, even 20 patterns, they can upload them on the website and immediately they will start having sales and sales and more sales. Nope, that's not how it works. You might get 1 or 2 sales, but to be honest, your patterns are probably not very good at the beginning stage. Even if you are in advanced artist in other field, patterns are a special kind of art and design area. So be patient with yourself and give yourself time to learn. So what is a good rule of thumb in this particular case? What do I recommend? The guidelines would be, you need to first have 50 patterns in your portfolio to start seeing first sales, and then you need to build up to 500 patterns in your portfolio so that you can start seeing regular sales every day. And even then you need to be uploading every week. This will actually achieve 2 things for you. First thing, you will be getting better and better and better and better faster than if you had just made 1 pattern every few weeks and then put up a few products or patterns on your website and done with it. This is not how it works. This is a myth. You cannot do that. It will not work that way. But if you upload 6 to 10 new patterns every week to your gallery, no matter if it's selling that month or not, you will be able to start seeing sales. This is what happened to me. This is what happened to many of my friends and colleagues. So please be patient with yourself. And I have a tip for you right there, because some people might think, oh my goodness, how can I make even 5 patterns in a week? I cannot do 10. I don't know how to do 500. The issue is you need to have a system. I would not have been able to do it either without a good system that I developed. So I have something for you. It's a free workbook that will help you to fill up your portfolio 15 times faster than you are doing now. So this is a vector Adobe Illustrator pattern portfolio tips. So please enjoy. There is a link in the description box below. All right. Point number 2. Do your designs have commercial value? By commercial value, I mean, will your designs help somebody purchase products when your designs are on those products? Let's say shoes, a mug, a t-shirt, a cup, a bag, anything, a pillow, anything that you can think of that normally has patterns in the commercial world. This is what I mean by commercial value. There is also another way that you probably be selling on fabric, but doesn't matter. Do people want to buy the products with your patterns? Your customers who are buying your digital patterns on microstocks, for example, they are buying this particular ability of your patterns to sell their future products. They will put your pattern on the product and they will sell the product. So basically your patterns are like marketing for you for those physical products. And you can think of, some people might think that the people who are buying your patterns are buying because they enjoy your art, they want to put it on their wall. No, well, not really. Maybe 1%, probably even not then. So my point is that you need to start thinking about your patterns having commercial value, and they will start selling better. What is my suggestion for this point, how to fix it, is you need to start looking at the patterns on the products online and Target, in all kinds of different websites that feature good designed products, physical products and fabrics, and you will start seeing some patterns and maybe styles that you like, and start experimenting, and without not getting stuck in them, but just trying and trying and trying, and you will start seeing what sells. This will tell you which of your designs have commercial value. All right, moving on. Point number 3. Are your pattern elements and your compositions well designed? Are they created? Are they well in a beautiful manner? Are they clean? Are they eye-pleasing? So is your art and design skills up to par so that you can create beautiful patterns? Maybe you are already understanding patterns technically, maybe you are technically inclined, but you're not still a very good artist yet, which is totally okay. By the way, I started out as a totally self-taught artist 12 years ago, and I was definitely in this stage when I was not very good artist and designer at all. So I had to learn everything myself. So please do not get discouraged. It's totally normal. You will get through it if you stick with it. As a solution for that is create more. Look at beautiful things that inspire you, that have commercial value if you want to sell one day. And I have another video which will help you, is 3 repeat pattern mistakes and what to do about them. These are most common repeat pattern mistakes. My free video for you guys, also link in the description box below. Point number 4, reason number 4. Do your designs have good names, descriptions, and keywords? Some people might think that the very beautiful design will sell itself, which it might in rare occasions, but in our case, we are selling online, so people are searching words instead of images most of the time. They might input words and then look through the images that Google gives them, or Pinterest or Instagram, but still it almost always starts with words first. So if people don't know you, if you don't have a big following yet, especially following of customers, you need to start researching titles, descriptions, and keywords, and this will give you a good way to start filling up your portfolio with images that will sell. Alrighty guys, and the last reason that I wanted to share with you is your shop too new? Maybe you already have a bunch of patterns and you're transitioning from one shop to another. You might think that your shop is you have 500 patterns, so they should sell. They will probably sell once or twice right after you upload them for sale on the website, but the point is that not many, but all of the shops online, they have their own algorithm, the same as Facebook and Instagram has their own algorithms. So these algorithms, what happens with them is that they will pick up your images when they will pick up your images. So sometimes it takes a day, a few hours, a few months. So it is up to from a few days to a few months. And so please do not give up on your website if you think that it's not selling on the day number 3. Please give it some time. So these are my tips that I wanted to share with you, and the reasons why I think your patterns might not be selling very well yet, but I definitely think that you can improve. We all get better and improve if we try. So I wanted to remind you the workbook to fill up your portfolio faster, and by the way, creating patterns faster will solve many of the other reasons as well, and you would definitely want to check it out. It's the free workbook, Grow Your Repeat Pattern Portfolio 15 times faster, with a lot of useful tips. Please check out the description below. Alright you guys, so thank you so much for watching, and once again I hope this video was helpful for you, and I do hope that your patterns will start selling better and you will start filling up your portfolio much faster. Alright you guys, please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, because this way I know that you want me to create more videos just like this one. And also please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends if you know somebody who might enjoy this content as well. Thank you so much you guys, have a great day. Grow, love, and create. Bye!